angels, welcome back to the Hayleys Help YouTube channel. If you have stumbled across this channel and you are new here and you enjoy homemaking, cleaning routines, speed cleans and a sprinkling of fashion and beauty, then why not hit the subscribe button and become a Hayleys Help YouTube family member. We would love to have you here, and I think this will be the channel that you will feel right at home in. It is day 21 on the 30 days of hacks with Hayley, and today's vlog we are doing a lucky dip hack. The title of today's hack is Gin City, and for today's hack you will need some gin. Gin was originally invented by a Dutch doctor for a cure for kidney ailments. I have 2 gin hacks for you today that you can use in and around your home, and neither of them involve our kidneys. The first hack we are going to be doing today is a gin air freshener. So we're going to take our gin. This is a bottle of gin that was gifted to us. For those of you that have been on the channel for a while, I used to drink, I no longer do. So this just sits there kind of redundant. You might have had gin that you bought for Christmas time that isn't being used. So this is a really good way to use up and utilise any gin that you might have left over in your house. So what you're going to do is take your gin bottle, and you need a small spray bottle like this. You can get these off of Amazon. I will put the links down below for the ones that I got. They're not that expensive and they're the right size, the perfect size for this particular hack. You can also use things that you have lying around your house. If you've got an old spray bottle, rinse it out, use that, that is absolutely fine. But if you don't have one, you can get these quite cheaply. What we're going to do is we're going to fill the bottle with a little bit of gin. And then we are going to add a few drops of essential oils. This is my sandalwood blossom. So let's add a few of those in. And then we're going to give this a shake. And what this will do, when you use it as an air freshener, the alcohol in the gin evaporates nice and quickly, and you'll be left with a nice juniper and whatever essential oils you're using scent across your house. And it's just a really lovely way to use up any old gin that you have got left over. If you are thinking about using this as a cleaner, please don't. The percentage in alcohols generally stands at the 40% mark, and this is nowhere near high enough when it comes to killing germs and bacteria. So stick to bleach and other cleaners that are meant for cleaning when it comes to that. But as an air freshener, it's an absolute delight. Hack is based around jewellery, in particular diamonds and gems. Gin can make your diamonds and gems on your jewellery shine bright like a diamond. It's like Rihanna. It's like the alcohol version to Rihanna. Shine bright like a diamond. What you want to do is place the gin in a little dish like this. You don't want anything too big because then you're going to have to use tons and tons of gin. So something this sort of size is ideal. We're all about the repurposing here on the Hayleys Help YouTube channel. These were actually from the, I think they're called goo puddings that you get, or GU, I don't know what you call them, and I wash them out, I keep them because these are ideal for these sort of tasks. And what you want to do is place your jewellery, your rings, you might have a necklace, inside the gin, and we're going to leave this for about 30 minutes just to work its magic. Once that has finished working its magic over the 30 minutes. We're then going to go ahead and rinse off the jewellery. We are then going to dry it really gently with a clean, dry microfiber cloth, and we will have shiny jewellery. Thanks so much guys for joining me again today on another 30 days of hacks with Hayley. I hope you are enjoying this series so far. If you are, go ahead and smash the like button. Like I said at the beginning of this video, if you are new here, go ahead and click subscribe because we have got some amazing content coming up. Keep your comments coming in guys, and let me know how you get on with the hacks, if you have tried any of them, and if you have someone in your life that you think this hack will be useful to, go ahead and share it on your socials by following the directions on the screen. To share the Hayley's Help content, all you need to do is click on this icon here, select the platform that you wish to share it on, and then click send. I will be back again tomorrow for another 30 days of hacks with Hayley. Until then team, keep it clean.